How to start investing for beginners. Do you want to start investing but need to know how? Check this video for useful tips on how to start your financial freedom journey today. One of the most common questions my friends ask is, okay, I want to start investing, but how do I start? Let's go together through the steps you should take before you should start looking into the investing options available. Number 1. Pay debt first. Yes, this is crucial. Why? Because unless you start paying bad debt first, your investment returns will be entirely consumed by the interest rate you pay on your debt. If you need more time to pay the debt off, consider alternatives to refinance debt, like renegotiating the interest rate or increasing the minimum payment on your credit card. To put things into perspective, graph. The average credit card interest rate is 19.49% in the USA, while the average stock market return is 14.8% annually for the S&P 500 index, 2021 to 2022. You get my point. Number 2. Save to invest. Save at least 10% of the money you make. While you pay your debt, make sure you save at least 10% of your income. You can start by controlling your expenses, for example, by creating monthly budgets for each activity, leisure, dining, sport, travel, etc. Doing so will start building capital you could use for long-term investments and generating wealth. Although this number is just an indication, you could work on a number that works for you based on your situation. Even a small number will make a difference in the future. Don't get fooled if your beginning is modest. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Number 3. Make money work for you. Passive income is key. Once you have at your disposal a considerable amount, start allocating your resources to assets that create growth over time. Stocks, mutual funds, indexes, and properties are great examples. With $100, you could buy stocks from your favorite companies like Coca-Cola or Starbucks. Number 4. Protect your wealth. Consider diversity in your investment to minimize risk. The last thing you want is to lose the capital you work for. A great alternative is prioritizing long-term investments offering modest returns at lower risks, such as indexes, S&P 500, NASDAQ, bonds, dividend-paying stocks, or preferred stocks. To summarize, number 1. Pay debt first is key. Number 2. Save to invest, at least 10% of your income. Number 3. Make money work for you. Increase your ability to earn. Number 4. Protect your wealth. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. These steps will help you get closer to your financial and personal goals. Remember, you're in the driver's seat of your finances, so press that pedal and speed up. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more.